Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, change time sync interval in Windows 11. Open Registry Editor with administrative privileges. Open Special Poll Interval, change value data to 600, decimal. Time interval is 17 minutes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.